In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change epic color in Jira. If you want your roadmap to be easier to scan and your epics to stand out clearly, changing the epic color is a simple way to improve visibility across your project. This is especially useful when you're managing multiple initiatives, release tracks, or priority groups, and you want your team to recognize them at a glance. To get started, open your preferred web browser and sign in to your Jira site. Once you're on the main Jira homepage, go to the top navigation bar, click on Projects, and then choose the project where you want to update the epic color. Make sure you're opening the correct project since epic colors are easiest to manage from the project's own planning view. After the project loads, look over to the left-hand sidebar. In that menu, find the option labeled Roadmap or Timeline, depending on how your Jira project is configured. Click that to open the high-level planning view, where your epics are displayed across the project timeline. This is the area where you can visually manage and review your larger pieces of work. Once the roadmap is open, find the specific epic you want to update. You can scroll through the list of epic rows, or if your roadmap includes a search field, use that to locate the right epic faster. As you look at the epic entry, pay attention to the small colored marker next to the epic name. That color indicator is what you'll be editing. Now click directly on the small colored chevron, drop-down, or color marker beside the epic title. When you do that, Jira opens a color selection pop-up right on the screen. This makes the process much faster than opening the full issue and editing several fields manually. From that palette, choose the color you want for the epic. You might see options like teal, purple, orange, red, or green. Click your preferred color once, and Jira will apply the change immediately. A good tip here is to stay consistent with your team's color system, so the colors represent something meaningful like priority, department, or release stream. After you've changed the color, switch over to your board or backlog view from the sidebar and confirm that the updated epic color appears there as well. This quick check helps you make sure the visual update carries across related views and associated issue tags. Also, keep your epic names short and clear so the new color remains easy to notice and useful in crowded boards. Jira saves this kind of update automatically, so once the color changes on screen, it's already live. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.